Yeah, motorcycle riding as a hobby is not cheap as most people think. Hear me out. For starters, MSF costs about 350 to 450 for 2 days. Now, if you want to be a responsible rider, you're gonna have to invest in gear. That is helmet, jacket, gloves, boots, and pants. All that, you have at least to spend $1,000 to get something good. And then there comes maintenance. You know, on these bikes you have to do regular maintenance, and if you're mechanically inclined, you can do most of the maintenance, the regular maintenance, yourself, like chain